Hello everyone, I am Mosumi Gusami and I welcome all of you to MG Creations 5M. This is my new YouTube channel for which you have shown your love and blessings as my family is growing. With your love and blessings, my family is growing and it is now going to be 200 family members, 200 subscribers we are going to complete. For that, thank you all of you who have subscribed my channel. And if you are new in my video, you are first time showing my channel in my video and my videos, please subscribe it and like my videos, okay, and comment on it. It is very important. Today actually I am here to say something about life and relations, about life relations. This video is about life. For the last few days I was very sad and I could not prepare myself to make this video, but now I am ready to share with all of you. Actually this story belongs to a young lady whom I know personally, and she is the daughter of my helper who helps in domestic work in my home as a part-timer. And the daughter was married for last 2 years, and this is for the first time she was conceiving. Okay, but being pregnant is the most valuable thing for woman's life. Okay, everyone can relate to it and understand the emotion and what she is going through. But what has happened to her is very unfortunate that she, after 2 months pregnancy, she has lost her baby, and as she was found unconscious in bathroom. Actually she was fallen in bathroom for more than 2 hours. It was very long time, and she had gone through operations, and there are a lot more medical complications for her. And the reason behind is this, like that her mother-in-law doesn't love her. For what reason I don't know, but the mother-in-law doesn't take the proper care of her at this moment of life, which she should do, because her daughter-in-law was carrying her future generation. Okay, it is not for others. Okay, but she do not take proper care of the girl, and she lost her baby, which is very sad. And my domestic helper has to rush to daughter's home. It has been 1 week that my domestic helper is not able to attend what I feel. When a woman is going to give birth a baby, then she should get what the most important attention and the love and care from family, and especially from husband and his family members. Most of us stay in in-laws house. We follow the tradition that we live with my in-laws. They should take care of their daughter-in-law in this situation, which is very sad. They doesn't do. When a woman carries a new life in her, she has to gone through a lot of transformation, physically, mentally. She has gone through a lot of transformation in her body, in her mind, okay, to give birth the new life, and to bring the new life in this world. And the life is and a new boy and a new life what is coming. It is not only for her. It is not only for a family. Okay, first of all, the child belongs to the family. After that it is contributors to the society as a whole. To the whole world they are contributing. Every birth, every life has its own contribution to this world. So I think it is very unfortunate that she did not get the proper take care from her in-laws, and she lost her baby. And there are instances that when the first pregnancy is not successful, and then it becomes very difficult to conceive again, or it becomes very difficult to carry the child again. Okay, it is very complicated process. It becomes very complicated. So please take care of the pregnant one who are there in your family, in your society, or in your nearby. If you find any pregnant lady in your society, or it may be your colleague also, in your office also, in your working culture also, you may find it. Take care of them properly. Please try to keep her happy and healthy, so that we can get a better future from her, which is coming. Okay, what is coming in the world, we can give them a better future, a happy world, a healthy world. So I have my utmost request to all of you, please take care of the pregnant ones whom you can see nearby you, and please take care of her. So please take care of you and your near and dear ones. Very much for watching my videos, and please do watch the videos to the end so that you understand what does it says. Okay, and with this, Mosumi signing off for today, and thank you very much for your love and blessings which you are giving me and my videos. Thank you very much, and I love you all. Bye. Take care of you and your dear ones. Thank you very much, and bye, and I love you all. Stay happy and blessed. Okay.